A batch plant that flexibly and efficiently produces specialty and fine chemicals across a wide range of types and quantities. A manufacturing execution system that ensures reliable process execution, digitally managed and recorded. This is Yokogawa's OpreX Batch MES C1-T1. In batch processes, the combination of automated control and manual operations often leads to variations in quality. OpreX Batch MES C1-T1 standardizes manual tasks and supports the reliable execution of procedures. Recording and sharing operational data along with expert know-how helps to ensure consistent quality and build customer trust. Today, more than ever, establishing traceability is essential. OpreX Batch MES C1-T1 records data across the entire process by linking raw material and finished product lots with the batch operations that produced them. By accurately tracking the manufacturing history, it ensures reliable traceability. This enables swift responses to customer inquiries, building trust through every interaction. Promptly delivering products that meet customer needs. That's a key source of competitive advantage. OpreX Batch MES C1-T1 integrates seamlessly with Yokogawa's DCS. In addition to creating and modifying recipes, low-code engineering enables rapid response to evolving site requirements. This enables manufacturers to strengthen their competitive edge through swift delivery of products tailored to diverse customer needs. OpreX Batch MES C1-T1 makes it possible. Stable quality, assured traceability, and rapid product delivery. Together, these build lasting trust with your customers. At Yokogawa, we are dedicated to driving the future of reliable batch manufacturing. Every batch, every step, earning customer trust.